Today we are going on an adventure out on the water for a snorkeling trip.
It's the first time we've ever done this together. It'll be a lot of fun, and we're gonna go to the Blue Lagoon.
This is the best day so far on Paros. The skies are incredibly blue, the water is even more blue, and we are so excited to get out there. This one's fine. This one. Yeah. So deep blue today. The other days of this week have been mostly overcast and cloudy, and it still looks good, but with the sun out and no clouds in sight, it just shines today.
And then in the middle of the deep blue, there's pockets of water that are like a bright turquoise color. It's beautiful.
Here's the Blue Lagoon. Just look at it. Join me. This is hard. Holding onto the boat. So as Kristen said, it's just us on this. It's supposed to be a group tour, but no one else showed up, so it's just a private day for us.
What a day.
We couldn't have asked for a more beautiful day, that's for sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, hasta listo.
So fun. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, goodbye.
Back on land.
Back on land, yeah. That was a great boat ride for us. Different than what we thought it was going to be, but I'm very happy with it. And it was a great day in the sun, out on the water, with the woman that I love. So,
Stop it.
just a great day. It's true.
It's always fun to be with you.
Before we take the bus, we're going to take in one last view of the ocean.
Until we get back to our town in 2 minutes, where we'll see it again.
quick change at the hotel and we're gonna go get dinner.
It's too sunny.
That's a pretty good table. We're continuing our trend of getting at least one Greek salad and one other side. So today I'm getting the Greek salad and Kristen gets to choose a new meal.
I'm happy. That was really good. I could eat more. We're gonna get ice cream.
So we got our gelato. Mine was delicious. Kristen's still finishing hers.
Which is delicious.
And we're heading back to the hotel, so I think this is the end of today. Good night.
Bye.
Great. You're so close.